diagnostics shouldn't be free. What we're looking at here is a 2011 Ram with a intermittent no crank problem, or correction, an intermittent no start. So it's a crank no start. So totally integrated power module, the TIPM, super high failure rate. Fuel pumps also high failure rate. What we're doing here is we're using a inductive amp clamp on the fuel pump wire, going to a Pico scope. This is our scope capture. We're using a scan tool to command that circuit on, and then we are looking at a visual representation of the amperage draw from that fuel pump, and we see these flat spots right here. That tells us that one of these contacts on the fuel pump is bad. So if the motor stops on that flat spot instead of stopping on one that works, when you power it on, the motor won't spin. So real quick, the scope setup that comes with the amp clamp is about $4,000. This scan tool is about $4,000. Another $1,000-ish in a laptop. Obviously, there are cheaper scope options